Since 1989, when the first ransomware attack occurred, ransomware has evolved into a worldwide criminal enterprise. The criminals' tactics have evolved from indiscriminate campaigns seeking a few $100s apiece to targeting specific businesses and government agencies with multi-million-dollar demands. In this video, we will be looking at the evolution of ransomware. The first known ransomware attack occurred in 1989 by the name of AIDS Trojan or PC Cyborg, which hid the victim's files by encrypting the file names until the $189 ransom was paid. Ransomware has evolved quite a bit since then. Advancements in cryptography and cryptocurrency have made ransomware a very profitable tool for online criminals today. Criminals also realized they could increase the ransom amounts by spreading the infection from one computer to another across a network to encrypt files for all users, shutting down business operations. CryptoLocker was the first major modern ransomware. In 2013, it infected more than 250,000 systems and made the criminal operators over $3 million in ransom payments. CryptoLocker was so successful because of its advanced use of cryptography, network propagation, even infecting USB drives, and rapid spread through botnets. Then the 𝗄𝗶𝘁𝗵 ransomware in 2016 and 𝗄𝗶𝘁𝗵 in 2017 demonstrated the next evolutions of ransomware and caused significant economic damage to enterprises across the globe. 𝗄𝗶𝘁𝗵 infects the master boot record and encrypts the file system table and prevents Windows from booting. It demands payments in Bitcoin to regain access to the system. 𝗄𝗶𝘁𝗵 infected millions of systems. Later, a variant called 𝑛otPETya targeted governments and large enterprises and resulted in an estimated loss of $10 billion in damages. 2018 and 2019 saw Atlanta hit by SamSam and Baltimore hit by Robinhood. These ransomware attacks embedded other tools such as CobaltStrike or Mimikatz to navigate through infected machines and the network. They shut down government services and cost tens of millions to recover from. Since 2019, ransomware gangs have ratcheted up the pressure with a technique known as double extortion. Upon entering a system, they steal sensitive data before launching ransomware that encrypts the files and makes it impossible for victims to do their daily work. Then, if the loss of computer access is not sufficiently intimidating, they threaten to reveal confidential information, often posting samples as leverage. Ransomware in 2020 and 2021 operates like a large business enterprise. The 𝗖𝗓 ransomware group operated a ransomware as a service model. Under this model, it partners with affiliates who launch the attacks. The affiliates receive 75 to 90% of the ransom, with 𝗖𝗓 keeping the remainder. Together, 𝗖𝗓 and its affiliates have reportedly grossed at least $90 million. The attack on the Colonial Pipeline and the ensuing chaos at the gas pumps throughout the Southeast appear to have spurred the U.S. federal government to be more vigilant against the threat of ransomware. The Biden administration issued an executive order to improve cybersecurity and create a blueprint for a federal response to cyber attacks. Governments are also considering making ransomware payments illegal as a method of slowing or stopping the attacks. 𝗖𝗓 said it was shutting down under U.S. pressure, although ransomware crews have often disbanded to avoid scrutiny and reform under new names, or their members have launched or joined other groups. Thank you for watching our video. If you would like to learn more about cyber threats or opportunities at Tista, contact us at info@tistatech.com and follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.